Okay, this is the Pilot Mountain Visitor Center. We're gonna go in and check it out. There's the Pilot Mountain knob right there. Let's go check it out. Come inside for our Pilot Mountain souvenirs, trail maps, hiking trail suggestions. All right, so we're inside the visitor center. Snakes. There probably ain't none out today, babe. Don't worry about it. Oh, salamanders. Not seeing one of them. Yeah, little turtle.
Saw one of those the other day.
Did. Oh man, look at the woodpecker. It's cool.
She said it was Carmen David back
To 970.
AD.
Yep. This is a pretty neat little story right here. This is a little wood thrush bird. And what they do is they put a tracking device on it and track it, its journey throughout the year. Here's where it goes. This is the path it takes. Travels 3,000 miles a year. Migrates to the winter ground Central American country of Belize, and then comes back to Pilot Mountain State Park. Just a very neat little story. Hope y'all enjoy it. I did, didn't we? We got the red-tailed hawk, the peregrine falcon, broad-winged hawk. We have the bald eagle, turkey vulture, black vulture, and the common raven. What a view. There they are. Check them out. Check them out. Look at that. Come on in and land, baby.
I think that's pretty close to as
Look,
good as it's
look.
gonna get.
Look at that. It got close. It's got some french fries. Look up, babe.
Can't see. Sorry.
They're getting pretty close.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
What a view. Pretty nice little overlook right here. Pretty decent day for this. A little foggy out, way out there, but overall, it's a pretty good view today.
See 'em?
Red roof barn, if you look to the left of it. God's creation. He made it all, y'all. She's wrapped up like an Eskimo.
Yes.
She ain't gonna get
I'm
cold.
gonna get sick.
Wow, look at that. Look at them stacked up there like that. Not that many folks out here today, are there? Man, look at the birds over there. That's where we're going. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Cool. Some kind of awesome right here. This may be one of the awesomest spots. Wow. What do you think?
It's amazing.
Good time to say he made it all, y'all. Them birds over there. Tell you what, look at all them loose rocks on top of that thing, and you're walking right below it. You just gotta, might be a good time to say a little prayer right now, wouldn't it? Lord, just protect us.
Yeah.
Look after us, Lord. You looked after us this far. I'm not going to doubt you now. You've always looked after us really well. Thankful for it. Thankful to be one of yours and to be guided by you. I'd hate to think I was guided by anything else.
That's right.
Well, I guess we better head down and get started on this thing. This was just a very nice overlook, so we'll be back in a minute. We're gonna get to it.
Bye, little cow friend.
Bye, cow friends. This might be a good little picture spot.
Hey, how are you? Good, how are you?
Hello, Pilot Knob Trail, 0.8 miles, moderate. You're gonna like this one, Billy. Put that down through there. Pretty good. All right, let's do it. That's a nice set of steps.
Yeah, it is.
Tell you what, somebody done some good work right there. I think people got off the trail there, don't you?
Mm-hmm. Looks that way.
Yeah, I think so. They've got signs. Right or left? I think it's to the right. Look at that little critter hole.
Mm-hmm.
Protect the environment. Police, as Allison would say. Police. Hello. How are you? We're doing good.
Nice up here.
Yes, it is. There's a bench. No climbing, Billy.
Darn.
Did you hear?
Darn.
That's what she came for. To climb. I don't know what they call that right there, y'all. But
Oh my god.
that's what I call climbing right here.
Yeah, I'll be back here somewhere.
No.
I'm just gonna take my time.
Don't you call this climbing, Billie Jean?
It's pretty steep.
I'm just being funny. They mean no climbing them big old rocks up there. You know, I wasn't really thinking about it. Was you, Billy? Left or right? I'm going right. Beautiful. Thought I'd stop and show y'all this beautiful view while we're here. But to tell you the truth, thought I'd just stop and take a break for a second.
I'm glad you did.
And very good exercise, by the way. You want to come up to old Pilot Mountain, take you a little hike, walk. Sure wouldn't hurt you.
Well,
We was way up there on that hill earlier. See them rails way up there? That's where we was. We've come a long ways already. Better watch where I'm going.
You going around that way?
Nah, it says stay on the trail.
Oh.
I'm following directions.
It's about
How are you doing?
Good.
Good.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Do not go in there. We told you. How we doing? Doing good. Gotta watch it, don't you?
Yep, I'm gonna stop. I was looking up to see where you got. You guys have a good day.
You too. Wow. I mean, that's a beautiful view, no doubt.
Yes.
We got some friends. Just a sword. Yeah, I seen them. Very nice little cave area here.
Fixing to take me a sit.
He's gonna take a break here. Take a load off, Billy.
Yes, I am. Some aqua.
Tell you what, that's amazing. It's just amazing.
Aqua.
Aqua Fina.
Oh.
Tell you, some of the best water on the market. Billy don't like my Aquafina commercials.
I need a sip of something.
I hope we don't get no live action on their rocks falling today. And I ain't kidding. I ain't kidding. Cause all these down here fell off at some time, I'd say.
I'll keep them things glued together.
Yes. Wow. It's so hard to see the magnitude of these things, but it really is. We're going to be underneath the cave.
It is amazing. There's a waterfall too. Or a spring or something. See it leaking?
Yep.
One over there.
It looks like this part has been ran across with water.
Underwater.
Yes. Looks like
Wow.
it's been underwater.
See that?
That's one massive rock though, I know that much. Yeah, it looks like this has been worn down by water right here, all these lines. Looks like it's just been a river running through here. Lines, it's just layers, I guess. I'm gonna tell you what. You gotta believe the Bible, you gotta believe it all. That's the way I look at it. And he said he flooded this world. And to imagine that much of water all the way to cover up this mountain, this knob right here. Well, personally, I believe it. If he said it, I believe it. That's just the way it is for me. Little bird flying in and out. Wow. Matter of fact, all of it looks worn. Goodness. Do come up here, be very careful, because one little step, it could possibly be your last. So we got to be cautious too. We're getting closer to the cows down there.
Looks like a red hawk. See it out there, how red the wings are?
Oh yeah, it did.
Pretty.
It is.
There's another one, red one.
I'm seeing it right down there at the cows.
Yep.
Down, see them cows way down there. That red roof, right there somewhere.
Yeah.
How many cows are they in 10 seconds?
A bunch. Standing up.
I think it's nap time for them. I don't think they're standing up. That old trees are struggling, but it looks good, growing on top of rocks. It's a quartz rock right there in that layer. All right, guess we better get back on the trail.
Thanks.
You can't see that on camera. Look at that. There's the cows. You gotta say bye to them.
Yeah,
because
and I
you may
only
not
saw
see them.
one standing up when I looked through the binoculars.
Oh, so you checked it out.
I did.
Here's Highway 52 and a bunch of farmland. And I wish I could tell you, I'm just not knowledgeable enough, like Billy said right then, all those mountain regions over there. I don't know. Maybe put it in the comments below. Hey, look, there's the visitor center down there. Look.
Yeah. One of them's probably the Hanging Rock State Park.
Probably is.
Like 30.
Billy's got any left over. Maybe we'll ride up there.
I don't know if I will today, y'all.
Yeah, you probably will. You probably will.
Hey, we're not even through this one yet.
That is true. Let's carry on. Make some ground up. Better tell the cows bye.
Bye, preciouses.
Y'all probably get ready to hear some more huffing and puffing because
It's going up.
it's going to happen.
Oh, we're on our way down.
I did too. Wow, look at the wingspan. That was a big one. Of course it looked big. See if it flies back over. There it comes.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, we got some visitors. I hope they ain't coming after us. Wow. Y'all have to use that chart to see what they are if you can see them, because I can't tell you. I did. I'm kind of amazed with the birds right now. They must have a nest or something. I don't want one to come and hit me, but I'd like for it to come down here a little ways. Alright, we're gonna head on. You good back there?
Yeah.
Well, if we was to find one, I'm gonna tell you, if I was to find one, I would take it back down to the visitor center and put it in that, let them put it in that case.
If I find one, I won't tell you that.
What?
I'm just kidding.
Billie Jean.
I was kidding. That was funny.
That was funny. Wait till we get home to tell me. How y'all doing?
Hi, I'm doing good, thank you.
Good. There's some more of the quartz. Look how teeny they are. That shows you. I don't know if y'all see that. It's an acorn back in there. I don't know what this is. Maybe some of y'all know.
Looks like that water plant.
It does look like a water plant. I keep hearing like a slipping sound back there behind me. I know, I keep hearing it and I'm like looking back to see if I need to come drag you up the mountain.
Need some water?
I'll take some. Come on through. How we doing today?
Good, how are you?
We're doing good.
Hey there. Ready.
We'll have to bring doggy next time. I hear water dripping. Hear that dripping? Now that is one good picture spot right there. You think you could hike up that? Sit on the ledge of that? little cave down there.
Yeah.
Little sugar shack's what it is.
Might be.
Sure you don't want to go down there? Done with this one.
Did it.
We did it. Be good. All right.
Beautiful, huh?
Yes, it is. Y'all have a good day. I don't know if you can hear me breathing already.
Oh God, I am.
Ain't that what they call rabbit tobacco? I think so. I think that's what they call that. That's what we called it growing up. Rabbit tobacco. I don't know. Rabbits don't smoke, but I don't know why they called it that. It might have just been something we come up with.
That sounds good.
It does. It really does. That's a crow. Wow. I just don't know if I want to rock climb this. Maybe we'll come back and do that later.
Yeah, right.
Catch some critters under here. Ooh. Hello, how's everybody doing today?
How are you doing?
Doing good.
Hey there.
We on film?
Maybe so, yes. Yes.
Playing a little croquet up here?
Oh yeah. It's my walking pole.
How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Yep. I'm breathing hard too. How y'all doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. Sit down right there, Billy.
Jeez.
All right, we decided to take a little break. We'll be back.